after the jaw-dropping Season 2 finale of Star Trek Strange New Worlds, I'm not sure there's any fan who isn't counting down the days until Season 3 lands on Paramount+. That's what you have when you get record-breaking movies like this. The tension is sky high and unanswered questions are just everywhere. You know, when is Star Trek Strange New Worlds Season 3 getting released? Well, in this video, we'll try to answer the question as much as we can. So here's everything we know about Star Trek Strange New Worlds Season 3. Make sure you tune in to the end, because before we get right into the details of Season 3, let's do a quick recap of how Season 2 actually ended. For those who watched it, we all saw that Season 2, which was released way back in 2023, wrapped up with Hegemony, an absolute heart-pounding episode where Captain Christopher Pike, or Anson Mount, and his loyal crew defy direct Starfleet orders in an act of desperate heroism. Their mission? To rescue Captain Marie Batel, or Melanie Scrofano, and the people of Harnassus Beta, who have fallen victim to the horrifying Gorn. But not everything goes according to plan. By the episode's end, Lieutenant Lan Noonien Singh, Christina Chong, Dr. Joseph Mbenga, that's Babs Olusenamuken, and Lieutenant Erica Ortegas, Melissa Navia, and Lieutenant Sam Kirk, Dan Janot, are captured by the Gorn, and Captain Batel is tragically revealed to be a host for their parasitic eggs. The season closes on a massive cliffhanger, and that left us all reeling and hungry for more. And while the narrative stakes are higher than ever, the show itself is entering a new chapter on a meta level. With Star Trek Discovery bowing out after its 5th and final season, Strange New Worlds has officially inherited the mantle as Paramount Plus's flagship Trek series. In other words, all eyes are on Pike's Enterprise now. There's a strange sense that this show is not just telling its own story anymore, it's setting the tone for the next era of the Star Trek universe. Interesting. So the new teaser trailer gives a glimpse into Season 3's wacky and wild adventures. The wait for a release date continues, of course, but Paramount Plus has dropped an electrifying teaser trailer that gives us our first real taste of what's to come in Season 3. And, well, to be honest, it's unexpected, to say the least. Talk about genre hopping. It looks like Strange New Worlds is leaning even further into its episodic genre experimenting structure. One moment it's classic sci-fi nostalgia, the next it's a noir-inspired murder mystery. Fans already love this show for its tonal range, and it looks like Season 3's doubling down on that versatility, which is already ridiculously interesting. Now, one element in the trailer that is already sparking lively debate among Trekkies is the presence of the holodeck. Now, hang on a second. Traditionally, this kind of immersive simulation technology wasn't introduced until Star Trek The Next Generation, which takes place decades after Strange New Worlds. So, how exactly does Pike's crew have access to a holodeck? Well, will the show provide a clever in-universe workaround, or is this a case of creative liberty in service of a fun story? Either way, it's going to be fascinating to see how the writers handle it. Yes, it will. Season 4 renewal, and well, what lies ahead for Star Trek Strange New Worlds? Well, good news for fans who have been fearing a short run. Paramount Plus has already renewed Strange New Worlds for a 4th season. That means the stories of Pike, Spock and the crew are far from over. Star Trek Strange New Worlds received an early Season 4 renewal from Paramount Plus, and Star Trek Strange New Worlds Season 4 won't film back-to-back like Strange New Worlds Season 1 and 2 did. Instead, Star Trek Strange New Worlds Season 4 starts production in Toronto in the spring of 2025. This projects Strange New Worlds Season 4 to premiere on Paramount Plus in 2026, which would help mark Star Trek's 60th anniversary, of course. Now, while there's no word yet on what adventures await in Season 4, it's a safe bet that it will play a significant role in the celebration of Star Trek's 60th anniversary. And considering the show's deep love for Trek legacy, expect nods, tributes, and maybe even surprise appearances from across the franchise's storied history. So, at Comic-Con, we saw some Vulcan hijinks, didn't we? Another sneak peek of Season 3 came courtesy of San Diego Comic-Con 2024, where fans were treated to a hilarious 5-minute clip from an upcoming episode. Star Trek Strange New Worlds released its first clip from Season 3 at San Diego Comic-Con 2024. The humorous 5-minute video showcases the entire cast of Strange New Worlds, as Captain Pike, Lieutenant Lan, Noonien Singh, Ensign Nyota Uhura and Nurse Christine Chapel are turned into Vulcans, to the chagrin of Lieutenant Spock. The footage hails from a Strange New Worlds Season 3 episode directed by Jordan Canning, and it's a follow-up to her Vulcan comedy of manners, Star Trek Strange New Worlds Season 2, Episode 5, Charades. This clip shows Strange New Worlds at its most playful, transforming its main characters into Vulcans and letting the awkward hilarity unfold. It's exactly the kind of fun, outside-the-box storytelling that makes this series feel like a refreshing blend of old-school Star Trek charm and modern narrative boldness. And it's going to be great fun, I can tell. So, when is Season 3 coming out? Let's get to it! Well, fans will need to be patient a little bit longer. Oh man! Although Star Trek Strange New Worlds Season 3 will premiere on Paramount Plus in 2025, post-production and visual effects for Strange New Worlds Season 3's 10 episodes are underway. Furthermore, Paramount Plus will need Strange New Worlds Season 3 as the centerpiece of Star Trek in its 2025 schedule. Considering the scale of the show's visual effects, that timeline, well, it does make sense. But that doesn't make the wait any easier, does it? Especially after such a suspenseful ending in Season 2. Expect Season 3 to play a major role in Paramount Plus's 2025 lineup and possibly even drop in the first half of the year, though of course nothing is confirmed yet. So, who's back for Season 3? If you're worried about your favourite characters not returning, well, guess what? Don't be. Though the full scope of the cast of Star Trek Strange New Worlds Season 3 remains unknown, it's confirmed that the entire Enterprise crew will be back again. Exclusive clips and behind-the-scenes footage have confirmed major returns, like that of Anson Mount as Captain Christopher Pike, and he'll be joined by Rebecca Romijn as his first officer, Una Chin Riley. Though the lives of crew members like Melissa Naviers, Lieutenant Erica Ortegas still hangs in the balance, they'll be back. Cillian O'Sullivan has been cast as Dr. Roger Corby for Season 3, who, if you remember, is Nurse Chapel's fiancé. Now, new faces, however, are also joining the mix. Martin Quinn's Lieutenant Montgomery Scott is officially part of the Enterprise crew now, marking the slow but steady evolution towards the Kirk era. Scott is joining the new crew on a regular basis, and there are still 6 in-universe years before the original series timeline kicks in. But Season 3 is clearly setting the stage. Here's a surprise. Patton Oswalt will play a guest role, who appears to be a Vulcan. And Rhys Darby will also be appearing as an as-yet unknown character. So they're really bringing people in. Both Oswalt and Darby are beloved in the sci-fi and comedy space, so their appearances, whether comedic, serious or both, will definitely be highlights of the series. Looking forward to that then. Star Trek Strange New Worlds Season 3, what's the story about? Come on! Well, Season 3 isn't just riding the momentum from last season's cliffhanger, it's diving headfirst into some of the boldest storytelling the series has attempted so far. Alongside the urgent need to save Captain Batel and the captured members of the Enterprise crew, Strange New Worlds has already lined up a range of intriguing new arcs that promise to shake things up on board. One of the juiciest developments? Well, Nurse Christine Chapel's fiancé, Dr. Roger Corby, is making his debut, played by Cillian O'Sullivan. His arrival is bound to cause some emotional turbulence, especially for Lieutenant Spock, whose relationship with Chapel has been heating up. Now, this love triangle will undoubtedly be one of the more emotionally charged storylines, pushing Spock into unfamiliar territory that tests both his logic and his heart. There's also more depth coming for Dr. Mbenga, as his hidden trauma and dark experiences from the Klingon War continue to surface. Meanwhile, James T. Kirk, played by Paul Wesley, is on a path of his own. Season 2 hinted at big changes for him, including a promotion to commander aboard the U.S.S. Farragut and an unexpected development in his personal life. He's going to be a father. That storyline alone could be a major turning point for the young Kirk as he moves closer toward the iconic captain we all know. Well, here we are. Fans of the show's playful side can look forward to even more genre-bending episodes. Season 2 gave us a crossover with Lower Decks. Thank you. And Star Trek's first ever musical. Now season 3 is set to deliver a classic Hollywood murder mystery episode, directed by none other than Star Trek legend Jonathan Frakes. And with Montgomery Scott now a full-time member of the Enterprise, we'll get to see how the beloved engineer begins his journey to becoming the genius fans remember from the original series. With 6 in-universe years to go before Captain Kirk takes command, Strange New Worlds Season 3 has the freedom to continue exploring new ideas, deepening character arcs and swinging big, just like Star Trek should. So there we have it. That's our update, and I want to know how expectant you are about the arrival of this installment. Let us know in the comments section down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. See ya. Bye.